Hi guys, this is Sejal Pagaria and I'm back with hashtag Kya Kaise Karu. So we decided to run an advertisement campaign on the Style Planners account and we asked our followers to share the problems that they face when it comes to style, makeup, beauty, and we were astonished by the amount of questions that we received and we decided to solve all these queries with the help of an IGTV video or a YouTube video, and here we are back with it again with hashtag Kya Kaise Karu. So today I'm going to give you all some quick simple steps on achieving a wardrobe that is seasonal yet functional at the same time. I decided to pick up this topic because I thought this is the right time to do it, because all of us have so much amount of time in hand that we can actually show some love towards our wardrobe. By showing some love towards your wardrobe, you would actually benefit a lot. I would like to repeat, you would actually benefit a lot. By this, I want to convey to you guys that a seasonal wardrobe rotation can bring tremendous changes in the way you dress up. Because every time you open up your wardrobe, it's going to feel fresh, it's going to feel new. You would be able to see so many different options that you really never thought that you have so many options with you. And this would make your life really easy and smooth at the same time. Also, when you're in a rush in the morning and whenever you want to just dress up, you would find it that the wardrobe process looks so simplified and so perfect that you actually don't have to invest a lot of time into it. Now that you guys know that why it is important to have a seasonal wardrobe, I would like to share with you guys some simple steps in achieving a seasonal yet a functional wardrobe. Hi guys, so let's get started. Starting with the step 1. Step 1 is all about inspection and evaluation. I can completely understand guys that this is one of the most tedious process amongst the all, but trust me, it is one of the most important ones too. All that you need to do is first consider that whether you're curating your wardrobe for the summers or the winters. Once you have decided for that, the next step that you need to do is that you need to start working from piece by piece. All that you need to do is check that whether a particular piece is appropriate in terms of the fabric, the style, the color. Now I'm adding a checklist here. All that you need to do is pause, take a screenshot, and next time whenever you all are evaluating your wardrobe, you can check the following things and bingo, your wardrobe would be evaluated in the right way. Now coming to step 2. Step 2 is all about segregation. When you're doing the segregation, you would be getting 5 different piles. The first pile is going to be the wardrobe that works well for the winter season. Second would be the one that works well for the summer season. Third would be the one of the transitional clothes. Transitional clothes are the ones that have nothing to do with the season. They work all around the year and they are perfect no matter what the season is. The fourth pile is going to be the one where you want to donate your clothes. The fifth pile would be the one where you can actually remake or reuse your clothes. So as I mentioned to you guys about the donations and the remaking, I want to share with you all something that is very close to my heart. So the Style Planner has now started with the Style Planner organization where you can donate smart. To know more about it, you can start following the Style Planner organization Instagram page. Apart from that, 2 of my students I am really proud about. So I don't know whether you all know about this or not, but the Style Planner also has a professional academy where we teach styling and makeup artistry. So 2 of my students, Sakshi and Urvi, are the remaking specialists. You can contact them whenever you all are looking for remaking specialists. Now talking about the third step. Third step is all about picking 7 to 10 core pieces from your wardrobe. Remember that these pieces should be picked from your transitional clothes pile, and these pieces should be the ones that you all love the most and you all feel most comfortable after wearing. They can literally be anything. They can be denims, any sort of trousers, jackets, scrubs, one pieces. So pick these 7 to 10 pieces very wisely. Also, whenever you all are picking up 7 to 10 pieces, which are the core pieces, don't forget that you all divide them based upon your lifestyle. Like let's say 40% of your time you all spend when it comes to work, then out of that 4 pieces should be the ones that are work related, that are one of the most comfortable pieces for you all. Now I'm going to start talking about the fourth step. The fourth step is all about building a seasonal wardrobe. In this video, I'm going to show you an example when it comes to the summer season, but you all can do exactly the same thing when it comes to your winter wardrobe during the winter season. Now, as I'm talking in terms of the summer season, all that you have to do is just take your clothes that you don't need for that particular season, for example your winter clothes pile, and put them in a suitcase, or you can also put them in a shelf that you don't use any longer, and this would help in curating only those looks in your wardrobe that you actually want to use for the upcoming season. After putting the pile of clothes aside that you don't really require for that particular season, you need to start doing this. You have to pick one piece of clothing that you have already selected. This piece of clothing has to be picked up from the 7 to 10 core pieces that we have already set aside. All that you need to do is, from the summer wardrobe, you need to pick now 3 to 4 pieces of clothing that would go well with your core piece. So I'm going to... So with this particular top, I've selected a floral shrug to go along with this, a nice denim, and I've selected a floral printed skirt to go along with this. So likewise, you all need to do the same step for the remaining core pieces, and voila, this is the way you all would get a well curated wardrobe for the upcoming season, which is completely hassle free and very easy. Now we have come to the final step, that is the fifth step. The fifth step is all about putting your clothes back in the closet. So here are some quick tips for you guys. Whenever you all are organizing clothes back in the closet, remember that you all organize them first as per the style and second as per the colors. So I'll show you how to organize them as per the color. After organizing the clothes as per the style, here I have hanged all the tops. So all that you need to do is start with the lightest color and go to the darkest color. Let the middle section be about the colorful colors that you have in the wardrobe. This is more like a rainbow section, and this way your wardrobe would look aesthetically beautiful. Also, this will make it very easy because now that I've come to the end of the video, here is a pro tip for you guys. So next time, whenever you all use a particular piece of clothing from your wardrobe and whenever you all are putting it back in your closet, don't forget to change the direction of the hanger and then put it back in your wardrobe. By this way, you all would know the clothes that you all have used and the ones that need to be given a bit more love. Also, you all can go a bit crafty and creative with your hangers. I have added my favorite charm here. You can also add a ribbon bow to the hangers of the clothes that you all have already used, and you all can go on adding them to the number of times you all keep on using the clothes, and the clothes that are still hanging in your closet for more than 6 months that you all have not used at all and which have no charms at all. That means now it's time for them to go to the donation. So guys, these are the simple steps that I have specially curated for you all when it comes to seasonally upgrading your wardrobe. Also, if you all are looking for a professional wardrobe upgradation, then you all can opt for the Style Planners Wardrobe Analysis and Management session, which is a one-on-one session, and trust me, it would be a game changer for you all. Once you all do it, you all would understand that how well it worked for you all. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. I hope you guys might have found the video really helpful. Don't forget to like, share and to comment in the comment box below. Don't forget to mention your friends in the comment box and also let us know that how helpful this video was. Also, don't forget to follow our Instagram page and to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, don't forget to ring the bell button so that every time we post a new video, you all would receive a notification.